Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What's that on my eyes? It's craziness. No, but really. This is the very first, I'm not sure if I'm actually putting this up first or not, so technically this is the first part of a two-part series that I just created on this channel, and it is called Palette Play. I'm so excited! Okay, so what I do is I try on eyeshadows and I let you know about them as I go through them. And you guys can see the color payoff on my lids, and then you get a small review on them. So that is the first video. The second video in my series, I will be doing 3 looks with these eyeshadows. So I will be doing a very dramatic look, something that is wow, intense, but it's something that you can also just go on a date night with or go to a special event with. It's just very dramatic, very in your face. The second look is for all my neutral gals out there, someone who doesn't like a lot of color, maybe doesn't experiment with color and has just a tiny pop of color, or like just a full-blown neutral look. And that is for everyone out there who is not into big booming eye looks. The third look I'm going to be doing is a very colorful, artsy look. So everyone who loves to play with color, who really likes to go big or go home, I will be doing an eye look for you guys. So hopefully it encompasses a whole bunch of different people's aesthetics when it comes to makeup, eye makeup in particular. So this is the first part, and I will be swatching all of these beautiful colors, and then I will be posting a video immediately after, and it will be the 3 eye looks I created with these Jelly Pop eyeshadows. I'm so excited. But yes, if you want to see all of these swatches, keep watching and hear me talk about them so you guys can figure out if you want them, which colors you want, how each color performed. And if you did enjoy this video, leave me a comment below, like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all that fun stuff, because I'll be putting out a lot more of these series, and I would really like it if you joined me. Okay, so what I'm gonna start with, for each eyeshadow, I'm going to do 1 eyeshadow on each lid, and I'm going to start with the eyeliner first to see how it performs as an eyeliner, and then I will add the shadow to that so you can see it all over the lid. So for the liners, I'm going to be using this Tarte, this is an eyebrow brush, but I'm going to be using it for the eyeliner. And then for the shadow brush, I'm going in with a Bare Minerals brush in their detail shader, and it's just a really nice packing brush, and I feel like I get really good coverage with this brush with these kind of shadows. So the first color that I'm going to be going into is Ventura. Okay, so the next color I'm going in with is We Jammin', and this is a really pretty like champagne gold. And I'm going to do the eyeliner first, and then I'm going to be applying the shadow. And in between each use, I am wiping them off with some makeup remover wipes. Those are from Walmart, by the way. They're amazing. Okay, so these 2 colors. The Ventura, I think Ventura went on really nicely. It has kind of this purple blue iridescent look to it. This could transform over the top of eyeshadows and completely make it a different color. And the champagne, this one was a little difficult to work with. I did notice that the more that I tried to build up the color in between letting them dry each time, it kind of started making my eyelids look really wrinkly. So I was not a fan of that. The texture is not as smooth as eyeshadow. It kind of collects, if you can see, in some spots where it's just not smooth as a normal eyeshadow would be. It kind of has these tiny little, like, just areas where it seems to have collected as you tried to smooth it out. So far with these two colors, that's my input. So the next two colors that I'm going in with is Origami and Foxes. So I'm going to start with Origami, and we're going to do the liner first, and then I'm going to cover the eyelid with the shadow. And this is a really beautiful bright gold. This is my favorite color. I love this color. The next color is Foxes. Okay, so about these two colors, my opinions. Origami is beautiful. It goes on beautifully, and it really is gorgeous. It's this beautiful true gold. It's so pretty. This would go good with cranberry. This would go good with brown. This would go good with purple. This would go good with pink. Oh, that color, it's beautiful. And then this is more of an antique gold, shiny brass type color, and this is really pretty as well. This one I found, like with We Jammin', I did the line, it went on nice and smooth, it went on really nicely, but then as I started applying the other one over the top, it kind of removed the line. But other than that, these are both beautiful. So now I am going in with Short Circuit and Once in Floral. And Once in Floral is like Once and For All. You see what they did there? Oh, I got you, Colourpop. But Short Circuit is kind of this really pretty terracotta color, and I'm excited to put this on. We're going to do liner first, and then we will shade the whole lid. I do have to point out that these shadows enhance whatever wrinkles you do have in your eyelids. So if that's something that you are a little self-conscious about, wrinkly eyelids, honestly, I wouldn't recommend these. Although for staying power, I probably would, because they seem to hold up pretty well. I just don't think that they are the best at, you know, sitting on top of wrinkles. They kind of sink into all the lines because it's a jelly type substance, and then they kind of just dry there on top of them. I love this color. Next we are doing Once in Floral, and this is a beautiful duochrome shade. It's like a red pink tone, and then it shifts into like a fiery sunset orange. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I can't wait to put this one on my lid and see it all over. eyelid time! Everyone, it's eyelid time! This is so pretty. Oh, that is applying so nicely. Oh my god. Okay. That literally took my breath away. Look. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? You're not ready. You have to, oh my god. Okay. Well, does everyone know my favorite shade? Apparently not. Okay, now we're heading into the last two colors, which is going to be Half Moon and Bungalow. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with Half Moon, and we're going to line the eye first. This color is so pretty. It's like this beautiful dark grapey purple, and it has like teal in it. Ooh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, this one is also so beautiful. All right, this is a duochrome shift shadow where it's kind of like a dark purple, a grape purple, then it has like a teal in there. Okay, next we're going in with Bumblebee? No. Bungalow. This is like a really pretty peacock teal. Okay. Normally at this point, when I slide it across the lid, they're really nice and smooth and pigmented, and this is kind of like a washed out, watered down teal. I'm not impressed. Let's try this again. We might have to do 2 coats of this liner. I tried, y'all. I really did, but so this kind of has like an aqua green, aqua blue color, and then it shifts to like a peacock teal. So that is also really pretty. It's a really pretty color. I think you just have to really be patient with this and kind of build it up a little. So I'm gonna let this liner dry, and then we're gonna shade the lid because I'm really interested to see the color payoff after kind of just a one swipe application like this one was. Okay, so that actually covered really nicely. It was a lot nicer than I was thinking. And then now that I have it on my lid, I can see like the full duochrome shift of it. So it has this really pretty like aqua green, and then it shifts to this teal, and then it kind of has a little bit of a dark blue. Like it kind of gives you that natural smoky eye. If you were to apply just this one color, it would kind of give you the whole like light in the middle, smoky on the outer corner, especially if you blended this. But I can see the duochrome effect now with it on my lid, and it is really beautiful. Okay, so my thoughts on these. Half Moon, stunning. I can't get over that color. This is also beautiful for fall. This, really pretty if you work with it just a little bit. This color is so fun, so bright, so pigmented. I feel like a mermaid. Like this is mermaid right here. If you are a peacock for Halloween, just paint your body in this. It will go a long way Once it dries, it won't move. Paint your whole body in this duochrome eyeshadow if you are a peacock. Please, someone needs to do this. I am not going to be a peacock for Halloween, or else I totally would. Someone needs to do this. Can someone let Made You Look know? If you guys watch her, she's amazing. She's an amazing body painter. That she needs to be a peacock with this eyeshadow. That's her next thing she needs to do. Oh my god, that would be so pretty. Like, what if she used these Jelly Pop eyeshadows as body paints? Why hasn't this happened? Someone needs to make this happen. Thank you guys for watching me swatch these colors. I really hope that you guys enjoyed them and they helped you out if you were wanting to get these or not and you weren't sure. I hoped that the colors that you saw on my eyelids made you either yes or no to them. And thanks for watching the first of this series. So this is a really fun series and I hope you guys will watch the second video after this following it. I will see you guys in the next video in this palette play series. And for the moment you have all been waiting for, my 2-year-old. Bye! 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 Okay, it's a horrible swatch.
You really should shut up. Shut up. Set up a different area for this.
I don't appreciate that.
I'll tell you what, these Colourpops are popping. Get it? See what I did there?
I want a divorce. Ooh, this one's my favorite. Alright, ready?
I'll do it with the papers.
Okay.
Look at the sparkles. There you go. Oh, it's so beautiful.
I don't appreciate your sarcasm.
Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous.
Okay, eyelid wrinkles, just getting in the way of everything. I've never been this excited over an eyeshadow in ever. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. This is so pretty! Oh no! I lost my brush. I need that. I lost my brush. And it's gone. And this video's over because I can't find, I found the brush. It's literally right in front of me. Okay, also that got all over my lashes. So there's that. I really hope that they were enjoyable. That's difficult to say. That was and I'm going to do my outro like this because I look sexy.